In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to remix an existing project in Lovable. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make a safe copy of a project so you can experiment freely without touching the original. Remixing in Lovable is essentially duplicating, but with a name that emphasizes creative iteration. It's perfect for testing new ideas, preparing a variant for a demo, or creating a sandbox for major changes. First, open your browser and go to lovable.dev. Make sure you're signed in to the correct workspace where the project you want to copy lives. On your dashboard, find the project you want to work with. If you have a lot of projects, take a moment to scan the titles carefully so you don't pick the wrong one. Next, look for the three dots icon associated with that project. This is the Overflow or More Options menu. It's usually on the project card or near the project title. Click those three dots. In Lovable, the option to duplicate is called REMIX, so select REMIX from that menu. Choosing REMIX tells Lovable to create a new separate copy of your existing project. Your original stays completely intact, which is exactly what you want when you're trying something new and don't want to risk breaking anything. If you don't see the remix option, you may need the right permissions on that project or to confirm you're in the correct workspace. A confirmation box will appear asking you to type the name of the project. This is a safeguard to make sure you're copying the intended item. Carefully enter the project's name exactly as it appears. Pay attention to spacing, capitalization, and any special characters because some confirmations are strict about matching. If you want to keep things organized, consider adding a clear suffix to the new project's name, like our remix or v2, so you can distinguish it at a glance. When you're ready, click Remix to proceed. Lovable will take a moment to prepare the copy. Once it's finished, you'll land in your remixed project. From here, you can start making changes, trying features, or setting up a new direction, confident that the source project remains untouched. It's a good idea to verify that key settings or resources carried over as expected, and to rename anything in your remix that needs clearer labeling for your team. And that's it. Simple, safe, and focused on creativity without risk. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.